Here is an exterior profile of a 2016 Scout LXF twin 300 Yamahas. Later in this video I refer to the boat as an XSF, but apologize about my error. She is an LXF in gorgeous condition, bow to stern, Wilmington, North Carolina, asking $199.5. Come and take a look. Now we'll do a cockpit walkthrough. The boat we are going to tour today is a 2016 Scout 300 XSF. She's got twin 300 horse Yamaha engines with just under 300 hours. You can see we've got twin Garmin screens here at the helm. This is a XSV unit that was refurbished in 2019, and this one is a 7612 XSV. Hasn't been refurbished, but you can tell it's working great. We've got a remote right here for the Fusion stereo system, tabs, electronic steering, gauges for the Yamaha unit, and up top we have our Garmin VHF, the panel, Scout panel, Garmin Autopilot, and that unit is part of the Olympus steering system. I can't stress enough the great condition that this boat is in. All of the covers were new last year, so there's a helm cover. So you can see our helm seat has the double flip-up thigh rises, full cover for the helm seat as well. And as we move forward, there are cushions for the seats here. If you look at the pictures, you'll see that they're in the pictures. We just we stowed them. Again, mentioned Fusion stereo system. And you got the lounge seat here. There are armrests that flip down, and there's nice storage down below that. Of course, we've got the hard top with the hard enclosure. That spotlight was installed this year. You can see the VHF antenna, and we've got Taco Grand Slam Outriggers. Moving aft down the port side, this door right here leads into the console, which again, we've got the cushions are stored in there, fenders are stored in there, etc. You can see there's a sink, and that's an electric flush head with fresh water. You can see the electrical panels right here. And moving aft, that of course is a fold-away aft seat. So if you're fishing, you've got a lot of room. If you're cruising and you've got a large group, you can fold the seat out. It's kind of the best of both worlds. Transom door off here on the starboard side. Of course, swim platform. Again, the 300 Yamahas are covered. The cowlings are in great shape. No fading. So, built into the hardtop, you can see stereo speakers, aft-facing lights. You've got rocket launchers, but there's also a custom sunshade, which was new in 2019. As with the rest of the boat, everything's in excellent condition. Boat owner had underwater lights installed recently. And the exterior, if you look at the pictures of the exterior of this boat, it's absolutely gorgeous. The spring of 2020, he had a $5,000 ceramic coating installed on the boat, so the black gel coat is not going to be nearly as much maintenance as without the ceramic coating. Live well behind the helm seat, designated storage for the Yeti cooler, which is there. A lot of boat owners tend to keep those. You can see you've got pole holders located on the back of the helm seat, as well as flush mount on the port and starboard sides and aft. So this is a unique boat in that it's a great fishing boat and it's a great cruising boat. So 2016 30-foot Scout center console located in Wilmington, North Carolina. It is August 9th, 2020. Boat just went on the market 2 days ago, and our asking price is $199,500. My name is Mike Knoll. I'm with MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My number direct to my cell is 910-620-9903. Again, Mike, 910-620-9903. Please give me a call or send me a text with questions. Love to help. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.